How to change Cash App card PIN number. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the Cash App card PIN number. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app as you can see here. Next, go to the menu at the bottom of the screen. The menu has several options as you can see here. From those options, the one we need is this one here with the card icon. You will then land on this page here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This page has many different options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your card. Among the options, make sure you tap this one here named Change PIN. After that, another page will appear where you are supposed to enter your old cash PIN. So go ahead and do that because you have to prove it is you who is making the changes and not another person. In case you have forgotten the PIN, then don't worry. I will show you what you can do about it. Come to the bottom of this page, then tap here, Forgot Cash PIN. After that, a code will be sent to either your email or phone number that you use to register the account. So open your email inbox and look for the code. After that, enter the code in this text box and proceed. Sometimes the code may not arrive early, so what you have to do is to tap here to resend it. Okay, let us proceed. So make sure you enter your PIN here, and then Cash App will ask you to enter your new cash PIN just like it appears here. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to change Cash App card PIN number.